Nature is the greatest place to heal, to restore, to reset. And when you come to Cape Town, South Africa, firstly, it's absolutely amazing, and we have an abundance of it. I'm at one of our private game reserves, but I want to show you something. When you book an overnight stay, let me show you what the accommodation look like. It's authentic, it's beautiful, it's a double bed, air conditioning, you have a bar over there. This unit is like carved out in the rocks. Just look at that. That's your bathroom. I'm going to turn the camera for you. Look at that. Absolutely amazing. And this way is an outside, it's rustic, beautiful. There's birds everywhere. The game reserve is, I want to show you, that's the game reserve. So you can actually lay on your bed, watch the elephants. There are some hippos over there, often ostriches and antelope grazing around. So if you want us to curate this amazing experience for you in the most beautiful place in the world, make sure that you book your next private tour with us. My details are in the description of this video.